Huge coils of aluminium or steel are rolled out, and flat circular discs are punched out. In the same step, a press with a smaller diameter pushes down on top of the disc. This gives the disc an exterior wall, so it looks more like a cup. Next, this cup is forced through a series of smaller and smaller rings. This elongates the cup and leaves it looking much more like a can. After which the bottom of the can is pressed into its classic dome shape. Once the can has been trimmed, washed and dried, it's time for printing. Arda uses an indirect offset lithographic procedure to apply up to 8 colours per design. And at an incredible speed too, around 2,000 cans per minute. Once the ink is dried, the cans are sprayed inside and dried. After this, the necking process begins. Here, the can necks are reduced at the top by forcing the can through smaller and smaller dies until the desired shape and size is reached. Then the can rim is flanged with a special tool. This ensures it can be sealed properly after filling. In a final step, all the cans are light tested and camera inspected for defects. Quality standards are met, the cans are stacked on pallets and dispatched to customers for filling.
Reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.